Hello everyone. So in this particular video we are going to understand about the store procedure and how to create a store procedure in a T-SQL. We are going to understand what is store procedure. Store procedure is a prepared SQL code that you can save so the code can be reused over and over again. Suppose you have a very complex query, or suppose you have any of the query which you are using over and over again. So instead of writing the same kind of the query over and over again, what actually you can do, this query you can save in the store procedure, and whenever you require it you can call it using the execute command. So that is the advantage. Now you will say same things we have discussed in the view also. Then what is the difference? In the store procedure you can also pass the parameter. Let's take one example. Suppose you have one of the table, you have a very complex query. Let's take a simple example. Suppose I have this particular query. Select star from table where country equal to the India. Now if I'll create a view with this, right, what will happen? Instead of writing this query over and again, what will happen? I can create a view whenever is required. If I'll call the view, I'll get the result. But after some time they are asking like you had to get the same result for the USA local, for the USA country you had to get the same result. So in this case what will happen? Again I had to create one more view, and in the query I had to pass country as a USA. So you can see based on the requirement, suppose if you are asking for the China, what will happen? Again I had to create one more view and I had to pass country equal to the China. So in a view, like if the requirement is changing, right, you have to create a multiple views. So in the store procedure, what advantage we get? We can parameterize it. And during the runtime we can pass. So what will happen? We'll write the same query. We'll create one store procedure. Create store procedure. Procedure name will do. One store procedure will be created, and in the query, right, you have to pass select star from table where country equal to the at the rate parameter. So suppose I have created one parameter. Now what will happen during the runtime? I can call this execute store procedure. If I'll pass the China, right, so I'll get the result for the China. If I'll pass execute store procedure USA, I will get the result for the USA. Means you can see during the runtime only I can change the query. And I can get the result, but that was not happening in the case of the view. So that is the advantage we get, and I hope you got the idea. Let's see how actually we can create this so that you will get better idea. So what we have to write, create procedure and the procedure name. I will give the procedure name as a test procedure S, and after that you have to write a query. Suppose this is a query, select star for gold consumer where city equal to the suppose let's take a city, or let's take a state only, state equal to the California. If you will create a procedure like this, right, what will be happen? It will be a static. Whenever you will call the store procedure, right, it will show you the data only for the California. But suppose you want to parameterize this during the runtime, you want to call. So what actually you can do? You can create one parameter. So what you have to write, at the rate state. This is the parameter I want to create, and you have to specify the type also. So varchar 128 I will pass. Now what will happen? Where state equal to the this particular thing I will pass. Where state equal to the at the rate state. Now what actually I am doing? I am parameterizing it. I am create procedure and the procedure name. I am creating one parameter, and this parameter I am calling here where state equal to the at the rate state. Now if I'll execute this, you can see the state, this one is capital, so you have to write the capital where state equal to the at the rate state. Now if I'll execute this, you can see store procedure got created. Now if you have to call, right, so what you have to write, execute and the store procedure name, this is the store procedure name, and suppose you want to see the data for the California, so you have to pass the state name as a California. Now if I'll execute this, right, I will get the result for the California. You can see all the state is California. Similarly, if I'll pass here New York, New York, in this case what will happen? I will get the result for the New York. You can see all the New York. Means what we have done the parameter, we have passed the parameter, and during the run time we are executing like I need this particular data New York, so I can do analysis for the New York. If we will pass the California, I can do analysis for that. So that was not happening in the case of the view, but this is possible in the store procedure.